how much do you know about Afghanistan, and do you know why Afghan peanuts and carpet has gained popularity in Chinese market, and what kind of influence does the One Belt and Road initiative bring to Afghan economy? Today we invite Ali, a very young Afghan businessman, to tell his story. Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali. In Chinese also called me Ali. When I graduated from high school, at the same time our company faced a challenge, like we want to promote our product to China market, but we know nothing about China. So at that point we come up with one idea that I need to do my bachelor, so it would be great to come to China and learn about Chinese culture, local language. So that's how the idea I come up to start the journey, move to China. During this time, I was doing university and at the same time searching about the market. We face a lot of challenge, like some of our product is matching the market, some of them are not matching the market, some of them is very easy to import, some of them need to be doing some paperwork, so it takes a lot of time to we figure it out. And then lucky we find some of our product very popular and very welcome in China market. And then there is a lot of good platforms. Through these platforms that we can promote our product. So lucky we joined CIE and some other exhibition. We did a very good promotion on all around China. A lot of people, like I can say most of local Chinese people, they right now know about Afghanistan and Afghanistan product. Right now they know that handmade carpet, woolen carpet, is coming from Afghanistan. Information about Afghanistan is sometimes misconcepted. A lot of people, what you see in reality, what you see in online is very different. Yeah, we have some political conflicts. We're trying our best to decrease these conflicts. So when we go to in Afghanistan, there is a lot of good thing in Afghanistan, like Afghan handmade carpets, and recently, last 2 years, Afghan peanuts, very popular in China market. And lucky by Belt and Road initiative, we got a lot of good opportunity. By Air Corridor in 2018, I think it started, and product from Afghanistan, Kabul direct coming to Shanghai. When we involved some of the Belt and Road initiative project, Air Corridor open, a lot of product come to China. So this is the benefit of Belt and Road initiative, we get it. And there is a lot more when we go to economic side, culture exchange. So by Belt and Road initiative, involving in this project, Afghanistan did a lot of good things. And we hope we could get more opportunity and more good position to make more cooperation between Afghanistan and China happen. In the future, we hope that we could make the cooperation between Afghanistan and China, and a lot of technical knowledge we'll learn from here, or we get professional people to Afghanistan and we do a lot of technical and professional work back to Afghanistan. That's all the information I gave today.